For many people, filling out court documents can begin with confusion. They may not know which form they need, what a question means, or what information is required. With Advanced Kiosk solutions, that experience changes. Visitors are welcomed by an AI assistant that guides them step by step through the form process, whether they're using a document kiosk, a Merchant Max, or another self-service system.
Hi there, I'm here to help. What are you trying to do today?
Small claims.
I can take you there. I have navigated you to the page for the small claims form.
These systems follow a crawl-before-you-walk approach, introducing AI in structured, low-risk interactions that help users complete forms accurately and confidently. The AI can explain questions in plain language, help capture information through voice interaction, identify missing fields, and keep the user moving forward with confidence. In this example, a visitor wants to file a small claims report. As the form progresses, the AI helps the user understand request types, provide case information, and complete required fields correctly.
Did you demand payment before filing? What is that supposed to mean?
That means whether you ask the other party to pay you before filing this claim. This is often called a demand for payment. It could be a letter, email, text message, or any clear request asking them to pay what they owe. If you've already done that, select yes. If not, you can still continue, but the court may ask about it.
Throughout the process, a human-in-the-loop model ensures that court staff remain in control, reviewing and validating information, while the AI supports the user experience. The kiosk admin will receive the AI transcripts in the weekly report as well.
What about describe your claim?
You should briefly explain what happened, including any agreements, dates, and why you believe you're owed money. Focus on the key facts rather than opinions. For example,
the result is a more accessible and supportive experience for self-represented court users while maintaining the accuracy, oversight, and trust that courts require. Advanced Kiosks with AI-guided eForms assistance, helping courts make services easier to understand, easier to access, and easier to complete.